What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about AMC, GME as well as the broader market, and after that we're going to check the options flow for all three of them. Before we get into that, let's have a look at the one of the biggest companies having their earning todays and what happened after that. So Amazon was having its earning today. The stock was down for almost 7.81% for the day, and there was a lot of hustle going between that people should buy puts or call option on Amazon. And if you are playing options in Amazon, it's very expensive. And I am pretty sure there were a lot of people those who were actually betting that the Amazon is going to go down. Amazon has been coming down already a lot, and as we know, the major companies like Facebook, Netflix, they all had bad earnings, and that's what the retail was expecting from the Amazon as well. But completely opposite happened today. The stock went up almost 13.26% for the day. There was a time when it was almost up 16%. That's a very good thing for the broader market because this is going to create a little bit of upside into the entire market for at least few days. As we know, all the big tech companies were going down after their earnings, but Amazon came in today and was a lifesaver for the broader market. Now let's have a look at AMC. So AMC was down for 3.57 for the day. The average volume on AMC is around 46.72 million, but today was around 39.09 million. So volume was a little bit slight lower than the average volume, but still the stock didn't took that kind of a beating that the stock has been taken. The volume is over 100 million. Still the stock goes down. Today it was still a little bit reasonable. Now, as we can see, all the other stocks in the broader market are going up in the aftermarket after the earning reports of Amazon, which was a beat. AMC is up almost 2.29% in the aftermarket. So as GME, it's also up 2.49% in the aftermarket. It was down for 0.81% for the day. The average volume on GameStop is around 2.96 million. Today it was around 2.67 million. That is definitely a little bit lower than the average volume. Still, the stock did very well according to me. It was up almost $106 at the market open. And after that, the usual thing happened. It started tanking down because the broader market was going down along with it. Now, when we have a look at the SPY was down for 2.35% for the day. But as we can see, after the very good earning report that came out from Amazon, everything is going up. Even the SPY, it's up 0.98% so far in the aftermarket. We're going to have a few days of green days. And after that, anything comes out from the Fed or anything, any major news come out regarding Russia and Ukraine war, that can create extreme level of downtrend into the broader market. We are in a definite bubble. The SPY has already gone up way too much. Now let's have a look at the options flow for AMC. By looking at what the whales are doing, definitely they are still onto the put side. But after what happened today, after the Amazon's earning, I believe we're going to see a little bit of green day. But as we know, these two stocks, AMC and GME, both are extremely manipulated stock. No matter what the news is, no matter what the broader market is doing, these stocks are still going to go down. If SEC crack down into it, this can create a lot of negativity in the stock market. When I bring down the premium a little bit and check it how many people are getting the call option, I can still see there are a lot of investors. They are onto the bearish side of the stock. They are buying puts. There are only few players that are coming in and they are buying call options in AMC. There are not many people, but yes, few of them are betting that the stock is going to go up from here onwards. Tomorrow we have to see what's going to happen with the positive Amazon report, how it's going to impact these two stocks. Now let's have a look at the options flow for GME. As we can see in GME, investors are still betting that the stock is going to go down from here onwards. Majority of the investors are buying a put option, which means that they are betting that the stock is going to go down from here onwards. When I increase the premium and see what the whales are doing, they are doing the same. They are all buying puts on GME. As we can see clearly, there are not many call buyers coming into GameStop. Majority of the investors are betting that the stock is going to go down from here onwards. Now let's have a look at the options flow for the SPY. Now SPY decide how the market is going to react. A lot of people were buying calls on the SPY. From last few days, we have been seeing a lot of puts coming in, which means that the SPY is going to go down from here onwards. But by looking at the option flow this morning, it's investors are in a very bullish mood. By looking at the entire option flow, I can definitely tell you the big money is on to the bullish side of the SPY. They are betting that the SPY is going to go up in another 28 days time. We just have to wait and see how this is going to play out. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.